What is good, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have another mystery box from Sneaker Fleet. Now, if you guys don't remember Sneaker Fleet, essentially they sell the $130 mystery boxes that are guaranteed 2 t-shirts from ASSC, Astroworld, Bape, Supreme, and in those mystery boxes you have a chance at a golden ticket that'll get you prizes, this time such as a Dior Jordan 1. They are linked below and they're extremely limited. They sell out every time. We're gonna talk about that more because we got some in here, as well as this is a $14,000 mystery box that they sent me in exchange for promoting this for you guys. So this is essentially a free mystery box for me. So this is gonna be insane. I'm so excited to see what's in here, and we have a giveaway. Now, they didn't tell me the giveaway, and I'm scared because their giveaways are fire, and I'm probably gonna want it. So let's go ahead, let's explain a little bit more about what this all means. Okay, I'm just gonna start opening up the box so I can show you guys. They usually put some of the envelopes in here so I can show you guys an example of what you're gonna get. Now, if you didn't see some of the last videos, this is 100% legit. This is a storefront in New York City. This is the 3rd video I've actually done with them, and this one is even crazier because of how good the first 2 have done. Now, we're gonna open this up. We finally have a proper cutting knife, a Supreme cutting knife to open it up. I'm not struggling, and we're gonna go ahead and see. Hopefully we have some of the stuff on top. Yep, we have some of the envelopes. Let's grab the envelopes right here. There might only be, I think there's 2. Feeling around, nope, I feel a couple. All right, here we go. I don't wanna look at all this stuff in there. I'm gonna hide it. So, I'm gonna open these up and show you guys essentially what it is. This is the envelope that you're getting, and inside you're getting 2 t-shirts with a chance at this golden ticket. Now, this one right here has 2 shirts from Bape. These shirts themselves you can sell for $80, $90. I'm gonna pop up on the screen right now previous winners of the last golden tickets. There's so many of them. You guys won Supreme box logos, you've won sneakers, you won so much stuff. And then there's also screenshots of people who sold their shirts to make a profit. So one person sold both shirts for $80, they made $30 profit. So essentially right here you see the first one, you get a Bape tee, you put your size in there, and the second one, you get another Bape tee. This one doesn't have any golden tickets, so you just get the tees, but you still have that chance. So you can make your money back, but you still have a chance of winning this. Now this drop, there's some insane stuff. I'm gonna see if I can pull out one that has a golden ticket. There we go, we have one. This is it right here. Jordan 1 Dior High, size 44. Now come over here. I recently bought my own pair of Dior Jordan 1s. This cost me a lot of money. They're giving away a pair of the highs. This is a grail, and that is a grail that somebody could make literally 10 grand off of. Now, let me list off the items that they're giving away. Dior Jordan 1, Off-White Air Force 1 MCA, Shattered Backboard, Sean Witherspoon Air Max 97-1, Off-White UNC, Jordan 1 Satin Yeezy, Supreme Box Logo t-shirts, Off-White and clothing accessories. Wow, I haven't touched these in a while. I love these. Haven't worn them yet. You're paying $130 with getting 2 shirts, that, or maybe 1. Let's open it up and see if we have another one here that would be a V-Loan. This one right here, what is it? This one t-shirt, a V-Loan t-shirt. So you're getting 2 of the other shirts or 1 of these, which these are probably valued like 150 to 200 bucks. And then you have the chance of getting something bigger. So it's a really cool thing, and I'm excited to show you guys what I have in this box. Dior Jordan 1, that's one of their main ones. And let's go ahead and just see what this box is. Thank you again to Sneaker Fleet for doing this. I like exchanging the promotion of this for mystery box like this. I get to keep all the stuff, so it's amazing. Let's go ahead and get in this box. Now that we've established what the mystery boxes are, again, you can get them in the link down below. I'm gonna go ahead and start opening this up and see what we got. They've surprised me a few times prior, so I'm excited to see what they have. Now, first thing up, we have my size in a Jordan 1. Wonder what this is. There's so many Jordan 1s that it could be anything, but I kind of want to look at the color. I don't know if I want to see the colorway. And we have, yes, we have the BRED toe right there, completely dead stock. If you guys don't know, after the whole Jordan brand documentary that came out, any colorway that related to the BRED just skyrocketed in price. These are actually really good quality sneaker, and I can't imagine what these are going for. And if you guys have seen how high the fees are right now on shoes, it's insane. It makes the price even more. So last sale, 700 bucks. And if you buy now, it's $780. There's $80 in fees and all these apps, but $780 essentially on the price of these. These are so clean. I don't know if I have any BRED colorway right now. The closest that I have are the new like cheap Unions, but that's about it. This is fire though. I got rid of, guys, I sold my Chicago's for like 400 bucks, and now they're going for 1,500, 2,000. Sneaker number 1, pretty fire. We're gonna open one more and then do the giveaway. So we'll keep moving and see what we got. I like those, that's fire. And my size, so I need to wear them. I need to stop selling as many shoes. Let's see, next up, looks like we have a Jordan 4 box. Jordan 4 University Blue and Black. Oh no, are these, oh no. What size? 10. A dead stock pair of Travis Scott Jordan 4s. This is another shoe that's gone crazy. Wow. Mine are pretty beat. I have the exact same size. I was kind of hoping these were an 11 because those are a little tight. Here is my pair right here. Look at the bottom. Those are pretty beat. This is a dead stock pair. That's crazy. How much these are going for now? I remember these in store locally for $385. And then the next time I came, they're like $7. And I was like, yo, why did those jump? I love having dead stock pairs. You guys know last time I got the dead stock Travis 1s and I still have them. These right now in a size 10.5, 1,060. After fees, you're looking at $1,200. Insane. I didn't think I was gonna like these as much as I did, and they're crazy. I love, this is a really good shoe. I thought I'd like the 6s better. Even the Travis 1 lows, these take it for me. It's like the one highs and then these. That's it. That's the second pair. Pretty crazy, surprising that I have those, and I'm glad that we have another pair of, you know, BRED sneakers, but it's time for the giveaway, and I'm excited to see what they have in store for you guys, because this is strictly for you guys. I just shipped off 3 giveaways for 120 bucks in shipping. Grateful Deads are gone. Sad day, sad day. But let's see what we're giving away today. I like the surprise aspect of this. Looks like we have an...
Okay.
Wait. No, okay, I just saw what it is. This better not be the... This better be the Jordan 5. This is a women's size 12 off-white Jordan. Okay, there better be this same shoe in there because I have not even held this. This is my, I need this. We can't give this away.
You're kidding that that's the giveaway?
Does somebody want to trade? I've been trying to get these for the past month. You guys want to trade for something? Okay, there might be. I'm not going to trip because there might be my size in here. We're giving away a pair of off-white Jordan 4s in my size. These are going for like 1,500 bucks right now. They got the extra laces. Kind of salty. But hey, we do some of the best giveaways here, and I guess that's what we're doing some of the best giveaways. These are so nice in person. Would you guys mind if I put them on? I'm not gonna do that, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna put the Juju out there. There's a pair in there for me. That's my size too, the odds are low. So the rules to this giveaway are, you have to 1, subscribe to the channel, 2, you have to follow me on Instagram, number 3, follow Sneakerfully on Instagram, number 4, leave a comment on this post on the screen tagging 2 friends. We'll pick the winner in 2 weeks time, and I will be announcing it on my Instagram story. So go ahead and watch out for that. You obviously have to be following. Last giveaway on the Ben & Jerry Chunky Dunks that the person ended up picking cash. The first winner didn't follow all the rules and they didn't win them. So make sure you follow the rules, and yeah, these are insane, and I'm gonna get my own pair in there. I'm putting it out there. We're gonna put these 2 pairs to the side and keep moving. I'm trying to see, I gotta move some of this stuff so I can make room. 2 pairs in, or 2 pairs, yeah, technically. And let's see, looks like we got a good amount here. Let's keep moving. See a white this looks like a white Air Force Travis box. Ooh, let's see which ones these are. The Oh, Sneakerfully. Okay, this is one that I saw you guys are getting at a chance with the golden ticket. I've had a beat pair of these MCAs. This is one of the best Air Force Ones in my opinion. The off-white Air Force One MCA, one of the best. I thought it was gonna be like the sale Travis's or something with a box. No, a size 11, my size. Now these do run a little bit big, so hopefully they're not too big. The pair I had was beat, ended up getting rid of them. Those are insane. What we're looking at the values right now, this was about 800, this was about 1,200, so that's up 2 grand already. Right now we're looking at, in a size 11, 1,915 bucks. And if you were to buy it now, you're spending over 2 grand for this sneaker right here. Again, this is one that I've had prior. It was really used and just big, and I got rid of them because of that. And it's still for a good price to you guys, but dead stock pair. That's what I love, but when they do their dead stock, I need to undead stock them. By the way, let's check out what's on feet right now. We have the tie-dye Jordan 1s. These are a women's sneaker as well. They're a little bit tight, but we got those, and they're kind of similar color to this. We're talking grail status on this shelf right now. I was saying the other day to some of my friends, even to Nick, I sold too many of my shoes, and I need to recoup my collection, and now we're doing it. This is crazy. So let's keep moving. That's about 4 grand already. Let's see what we got. Now, I see one. I can't find how many boxes there are. Let's keep moving and see what we got. This is another Air Force box. Ooh, wonder what this one could be. See if I can feel in here. This might be a Travis. It feels kind of like a canvas. We have, yes, the Travis Scott Air Force One. Is this the OG or the sale? This is the sale. This is another, man, classic shoe. A dead stock as well. The sale, if you guys know that there's 2 pairs of these. This pair, and then there's the all-white pair. The sale when it first came out was going for about $300. And again, they shot up. Travis effect. Travis effect is real, guys. The sale right here is what? These are going for like $1,200 now. That doesn't even make sense. This market is crazy. Dead stock pair. You got the swooshes. Again, I'm gonna have to be holding on to some of these. This is crazy. Oh, I love these. I ended up, the first pair that I ever bought of these was in New York at at Stadium Goods, I bought a pair for $700, and it was a lot back then for the OG pair, and now the OGs are going for crazy. But look, you can replace the swooshes like that, pretty sick. Alright, so we're moving on. We're gonna put these to the side. Another fire. I like going back a little bit. As the sneaker trends go on, it's like you start to buy more and more recent shoes. I like going back a little bit to some of these. So we'll keep moving. We're 4 shoes deep right now. About 3 or 4 grand, or 4 or 5 grand maybe. Let's go ahead and keep going. We have another Jordan 1. Dang, I think, wait. I hope it's not the blue pair. I think the blue pair and the white pair come in this box. The blue pair is there. I've got a pair. That's like one of my favorite pairs. Let's see what we got. We have a dead stock pair of the UNCs. Obviously, no hurt there. My pair, I've beat up. If you guys haven't seen, I slid with them into home plate.
Yeah, right. Check that.
I jumped into a mud pit. Seeing them dead stock is making me, this is a great shoe. I paid $600 for them dead stock the day that they released locally, which I don't think is a bad price because I bet you these are going for like $1,400 right now. This side, oh my gosh, it's going for 2 grand right now. After fees, $2,200. I paid 600. That was a come up, and that's why I haven't sold mine yet, but dang, I like having pairs on ice now. I've been like wearing all my shoes, beating them up, and I kind of like the ice. This is nice, this is good stuff. Let's put these back here. We'll keep moving right under my super beat pair. Like when I say beat, they're pretty beat. They're beat. Let's keep moving, see what we got. I see an off-white box. Ooh, we got 4 boxes left. Looks like we have another Sean Witherspoon right here. That's pretty fire. I've got a pair down there. They're actually too small, which I might be, throwing them on my website soon. We do have a Sean Witherspoon. This right here is a part of the Secret Fleet box. These are crazy. Another dead stock pair. I honestly have had a good amount of pairs of these, but it's just because they're such a good shoe. I keep going back to them every time, but I've been holding on to the pair that I have for a while now. So this is a second pair, but not my size. So one that I'll probably end up doing something with you guys. We'll see what happens. Maybe website, something like that. But you can't go wrong with the Sean Witherspoon. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shoes. It looks like we got 3 more, 2 off-whites and an SB box. Oh man, these SBs, I hope that they're what I think they're gonna be. Let's pull out both of these off-white boxes. Now, I don't know where we are value-wise. I'm gonna pull the SB box out too, because that's gonna be it. But I don't know, I'm not gonna look at the labels. Let's see, that's it. Looking at 10 shoes total. Should I give you guys a preview? All right, Nick, you gotta let me know what this is, if it's fire.
Yeah, you're gonna like it for sure.
Nick said I'm gonna like it. Okay, I wonder. Let's look at that's the Air Force One low. We have the Volts. These keep coming back to me. The Volts. They're such a sick shoe. They're very hard to wear though. They're so bright. If you see that, the only way that I like wearing these is if you have like all black on and then you wear just these. Now, I currently do not have a pair of these. I condensed my off-whites to, I have the Blazers, I have the Jordan 1. I think that's it. I've been condensing pretty much.
Below the Travis Scott Jordan 4.
Off-white 5s. Why am I missing that? I have the off-white 5s as well. We got the Volts now, super bright. If you can't tell, insanely bright. A really good sneaker though. Should we go for these or these? I don't know. If this is a Jordan 1, I want to go for these. Let's see, we have a Blazer, okay, and then this, oh, I gotta save this for last. This is a recent. So this could be anything from a Travis dunk to a Ben & Jerry dunk to a Grateful Dead dunk. Now, what do I want most? Probably Grateful Dead, or I kind of been liking the Travises again. We have the Friends and Family Chunky Dunkies up there that they give away when I pick the cash prize, but let's see what we got. We got the Blazer mid in the all hollows, or this is the black colorway, the Grim Reaper colorway. This is a used pair, size 10. You guys know I have the other half of this collection, which is right there, the tan colorway. These two came out at the same time. This one right here, I always thought would be a little bit hard to wear because it's all black, and to me it kind of looks like a wrestling shoe. That's just me. I love the tan ones, of wearing those a lot of off-white. Good variety though. 2 that I don't have right now, a Nike SB. I want to see what it is. Let me see if Nick, can you tell what they are based off of that?
The white University Gold.
White University Gold. Let's oh, we have the Chunky Dunkies. Yes, I thought maybe it would be like the Grateful Dead and the gold, maybe is the yellow. We have a size 11 Chunky Dunkies. The Friends and Family are a size 10.5 right there. Check that out, dead stock pair. Some people are calling this the shoe of the year. What do you guys think? Right now for me, I like these. I like these over the Chunky Dunk. What do you think? I'm picking these. They cost a lot more, but still. Let's add up some values real quick and see how much this box was, and then go over a little more details on their boxes. sad day because I just realized there were no other 4s in there for me. Dang. I like giving back to you guys, and I'm just being selfish because I love this shoe and I have not even had a chance to have my own yet. Maybe one of you guys will want to trade for some chunky Dunkies or something, I don't know. But this is an amazing shoe, and I'm so glad we get to give it away for you guys. One day we're gonna give away some Dior Jordan 1s. I mean, they're in this mystery box. Now they just informed me too, they're adding $1,000 cash into a golden ticket for this month because the owner of the store had some really good stuff go on in the stock market, so he's giving back to you guys again. Again, thank you to Sneaker Fleet for teaming up with me on this and sending me this insane box to, you know, share this whole thing with you guys. Again, they'll be linked down below. If you're watching this video 2 hours after the mystery boxes drop, they might be sold out. So again, you guys need to stay tuned in, attention, notification gang. And also, if you guys haven't seen, I started memberships on my website. I'm doing those again. If you haven't seen it, there's some exclusive things. If you guys want to become a member, it's down below. There's some stuff like you get to be on my close friends story on my Instagram. You get to be first access to these videos before they drop, as well as discounted on merch and first drops on my website, stuff like that. So check that out down below if you want to and join that. But yeah, we're gonna sign out with these off-white Jordan 4s because these are insane and I need them. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like down below. See you guys next time. This is Harrison signing out.